Here I have LARK Evolution X2 and let me show you how to enter the recovery mode on the following device. So first of all, let's start by holding a power key. Keep holding power button, choose power off and tap OK to confirm it. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards you have to use the following combination of keys: power key and volume up. Let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds. Keep holding both keys. And release them as soon as boot mode pops up in front of you. Here you can navigate by using volume up and confirm options by pressing volume down. So in order to choose recovery mode, let's choose the first option, recovery, and press volume down to choose it. Now the device is booting into recovery mode. Let's wait a few seconds. As soon as Android robot no command pops up, let's press power key to open recovery mode, and the Android system recovery just pops up. You may navigate here by using volume down and confirm options by pressing volume down. You can apply update from ADB right here. You may also try to update from SD card and from cache. You can accomplish hard reset by choosing wipe data factory reset. You can wipe cache partition, backup user data, or restore user data. If you would like to quit this mode, let's choose the first option, reboot system now, and press power key to confirm it. Let's press of course volume up to confirm it, and now the device is restarting and booting into a normal mode. Let's wait a few seconds. Excellent, the tablet is in normal mode. Now you can use your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.